You just mentioned there, Alex, about the fact that this is a long garden to the studio, and you've got a temporary path solution.
Yeah, it's just if you're going to put in the studio, and for whomever it may be, you obviously, we're walking through this wet grass now, and our feet are getting wet, and then you're walking that into the studio. And you may not have ran a path up there, and of course, then you need a builder. And we know how hard they are to find, but we do a temporary path, so it's on a roll, so you roll it out. I haven't got one with us, but we'll attach it to this video. So it just demonstrates how we could have rolled out the path, and then you could have walked up.
You'd have something in the meantime until you get a proper permanent solution.
Yeah. So that's the plan of it, so that you're not walking in the grass and in the mud.
Yeah, it's very wet today, isn't it?
And of course, as winter comes, and you're walking up here continually, you get churned up, more mud. So it's only a temporary solution. It's not our solution, and you may know a builder and get a path put in straight away. If it's going to take a few weeks or a few months, you could have this path, and then we could actually buy it back off you. It's just a temporary solution, that we use, and the build our fitters use them. Sometimes if we were coming up here, our fitters will roll them out so that they're not getting the shoes caked in mud.
Right.
And then we're not wrecking your lawn. But we'll show you a video of that when we get back to the workshop.
Yeah. Okay.